Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to witness an exciting and vibrant tradition that has been part of Bangladesh's culture for centuries, the boat race. From the serene rivers of the countryside to the bustling city waterways, boat races are a spectacle of speed, skill and community spirit. So let's dive into the world of Bangladesh's boat races and discover what makes them so special. Let's go! Boat racing in Bangladesh isn't just a sport. It's a part of the culture and heritage of this beautiful country. The traditional boat races are held all across the nation, particularly during festivals, religious occasions, and special community events. These races have a deep-rooted connection to the water-based lifestyle of the people here. The races take place on various rivers throughout the country, with the Padma River being one of the most popular locations. The boats used in these races are often handmade, with incredible craftsmanship, and are designed specifically for speed. There are several types of boats used in the races, with the most common being the Sampan and Nauka boats. These boats are typically long and narrow, built for maximum speed and agility on the water. They're crafted from local wood, and many are decorated with bright, intricate designs adding to the visual appeal of the race. How long does it take to build one of these boats? And what makes them so perfect for racing? It can take anywhere from a few weeks to a month to build a racing boat. We use special techniques passed down through generations, ensuring they're both lightweight and fast. As the big race day approaches, competitors gather on the banks, preparing for the race. Each team is made up of skilled rowers who have trained extensively to perfect their technique. Teamwork and synchronization are crucial in these races. These boat races aren't just about speed. They require perfect coordination between the rowers. Every stroke needs to be in sync to cut through the water efficiently. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the start of the race. As the signal goes off, the boats surge forward with incredible speed, the rowers paddling in unison as the crowd cheers on. The energy in the air is electrifying, with thousands of spectators lining the banks watching as the boats race toward the finish line. The teams must push themselves to the limit to outpace their rivals and claim victory. After a fierce battle on the water, the winning team crosses the finish line. The crowd erupts in celebration and the victorious team is hailed as champions. But for the people of Bangladesh, it's not just about winning, it's about coming together, celebrating tradition, and honoring their connection to the water. To understand the true significance of boat racing, we spoke with a local elder who has witnessed many races over the years. Let's hear what he has to say.